Alright everybody, today we're going to see if my 4.0 line, Atlas 4.0 liner will fit in the Atlas 3.0. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so today we're going to see if the 4.0 liner will fit in the 3.0 helmet. So I'll go ahead and take the liner out of both of these and put the liner from the 4.0 in this. So far so good. Things fitting like it should so far. Here's where it could be different. Catch the well, that's snapped in. Oh yeah, this is gonna work. Always have problems with these snaps for some freaking reason. There. This is going to work. That's it. The 4.0 liner does fit in the 3.0 helmet. That's a 4.0 liner and a 3.0 helmet. Hopefully my camera angle was good enough for you to see it, but so there you go. I'm going to switch these back and then go on and do something else. So if this video was helpful, or you liked it, or you like any of my other videos, please think about subscribing to my channel, share this video, and we will talk to you later. Bye bye.